Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me get up in here and get these orders real quick. We picking up 2 Panera orders right now. One for Thomas and one for Reuter. Shout out to all the Platinum Dashers in the building. I'm no longer a Platinum Dasher because DoorDash is a scam. Let's get up in here and get this first one though. Where am I gonna put this in? I need to move this one. Let's see. I could put the catering bag down there. We got 2 orders to pick up, y'all. We got 2 to pick up. We gotta get our black ass up in here. Let's see. Pickup time is 9:57 for that one. And pickup time is 9:54 for that one. Alright, boom, boom, boom. Hell no, I ain't lose my platinum. I gave up my platinum. Platinum was a scam. I was hoping it was gonna be some catering orders on the other side of platinum, but it was not. I ain't getting no catering orders. I ain't even getting no $10 orders. Matter of fact, the whole time I was platinum, I got no $10 orders, no $15 orders, no. I only got 1 order the whole time that said plus anything. Crazy. All right, we doing DoorDash for an hour. There go one of the customers right there. There go one of the orders. There you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. All right, so we got 1 order, and they making the other one. Should go drop this one off first. What you think? Should I go drop this one off first, and then come back? All right, let's get that one in that bag right there. Woo! It's raining out here, y'all. Slick Packs in the building. Black Widow. What up, Black Widow? Cliff Dog, Aunt Esther, Brittany, Judy, Alyssa. Is that Alicia? Alicia, Combo, Tracktown. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Y'all see, man, it's raining out here. Man, look. Let me show you. It's wet. It is wet. Oh, my goodness. Homeless Dash in my area. 16-year-old kid. Damn, that's messed up. Raincoat. Yeah, man, they played me. Platinum played me, y'all. They played me on Plat. I didn't get no good orders. I was picking up all boo-boo. And since last night, I've been declining like crazy. Back to my old ways. Out here on all bullshit. God damn, y'all got my phone out here getting wet. And here go order number 2 right here.